Hi, this is Lou from Lou's Antiques and Collectibles, and we buy and sell stuff for our 2 antique booths and the 2 antique malls that we're in. Maumee Antiques in Maumee, Ohio, and Plaza Antiques in Lincoln Park, Michigan. And take a look at my car. Today we're going to go to Maumee and we're going to put all the Christmas in, and let me tell you, this is how messy it is after I repacked it all. There was so much stuff. I couldn't hardly see out the windows, and I had to fix that, obviously, because that would not be safe. So, but the back is really full. So come on along with us as we restage. We're going to be pulling a lot of the Halloween and the autumn things out because we have a show. We have the Vintage Market show on the weekend. So come on along. So we're heading to Maumee, Ohio, and Maumee is a little bit south of Toledo. It's about a 45-mile drive from my house. And although it's kind of a drive, it's worth it. This is probably one of the best malls I've ever been at. I mean, I'm doing good financially. The people are wonderful. It's just a very nice place to come to. So let's get on over there and we'll get busy. We are here at Maumee Antique Mall, and we're going to go ahead and grab a cart and load up all the stuff. So check out our cart, and this is literally just the first load. We are pretty full. So we're heading on into the building, and we are in aisle 7. We're on the left-hand side, and we're about, I think, 3 or 4 from the end. So there's quite a few booths that you have to go by to get to ours. But this has been a good location for us. We have lots of regular customers here, so I think it's a good spot. So right now we have the fall display still out, and I have the show October 6th. The Vintage Market show, so we got to pull all of this Halloween fall decor out and replace it with all the Christmas stuff. And you can see here it is, the display from this one. Now there's a lot of other things in there, just some neutral color things that I may or may not be able to leave in. And here's one of the blow molds that we're going to have to put in, and that one has stones in it, so I don't know. I'd like to put. I got Rudolph there on the top. I don't know if I can lift that stone one up, because it's kind of heavier. If I have to put it in another spot, it might be kind of difficult for customers to get it. So we got some of the stuff in the back here already. I got a giant moose and Rudolph right there. And what I did is I moved all the earrings and the jewelry to one side because I'm going to put all the ornaments on the other side. And I'm replacing all the clothing with all Christmas sweaters and flannels and things that are seasonal. So here's a lot of the stuff here. And we already did that. Here's all the new sweaters and stuff that we put in. So hopefully they'll sell well. I've never really done Christmas sweaters much, so we're going to give that a try this year and see how that goes. So we just put a lot of the clothes in there that we had in that little closet area back in the car, and I took out all the fall type of clothes. And now we're on our second load, and this is for the, I call it the stuff. So we got a lot of work to do. So let me get back in there and get to it. So we're back in with our second load, and I've already pulled out all the Halloween stuff off of this shelf and put some of the Christmas in here. And we got a lot of Christmas this year, so hopefully some of this stuff will sell. And then here's a lot of the stuff that we're going to be taking with us to the show. A lot of the neutrals I'm going to take with me too, because I think I'm going to do a table of all neutral colors along with the Halloween autumn stuff. And here's the stuff that's got to go in. So these booth changings are really tough. They take me almost all day. So I'm trying to take out the stuff. Oh, there goes a rolling pumpkin. I'm trying to take out the stuff that's going to leave as soon as I can so that I don't have so much stuff to work with and I clog up the aisles. And because we do have customers while all this is happening too. Well, it's always a bummer when you go home with pretty much as much as you brought in. But we had to switch things around for the show. And we still got to go do more work on the booth, so I'm going to be here a long time. So we're back in the building here, and we're getting more and more of the Christmas up. It's looking quite a bit better. It's starting to look like a Christmas display now, and it's helpful, like I said, to get all that Halloween stuff out as soon as you can. Now the showcase I still have to do. There's a lot of Christmas stuff I have that's kind of pricey, so that's got to get locked up, otherwise it's going to leave. And it's here I put it in kind of a little bit on every shelf. A lot of old candy containers and a lot of old plastic and elves and stuff like that, cloth elves. So here's our Christmas display. It looks like it's pretty good. It's a Christmas explosion. So I think it looks pretty good from the front. We have a lot of stuff. So let's take a little tour. So we moved our earrings over to this side. And I got the dress form with a green dress. So I didn't want to take the earrings out. Those are really good sellers for me. So I wanted to leave those in the front along with these pins. I put a lot of Christmas pins within that too. And those cheap rings. And here's all of our Christmas items. I did keep some clear glass on the bottom. Lots of little trees and Santas. And there's a cherish teddy tree there I put in. That is actually sold since I filmed this. And then we're going to walk on over to our jewelry display case, take a little tour of the mall, and we've got all our Christmas stuff here. And on the side, I have all my ornaments and these tiered displays. So the earrings used to be one earring display was on this side, but I put them both on the other side and put all the ornaments together. So here's our purple section and black and green section. And I wasn't able to do a lot of stuff with this other than pick it up. All of our toys in the back. And I ended up putting Santa back here because he's so heavy. I don't know if he'd sell well on that table. If somebody has to lift him off that table. And here's our Christmas sweaters and flannels that we put in. Ugly sweaters. Hopefully they sell. And there's our red area and pink area that we have within our booth. It's all color coordinated and blue. And then on this side, I took out all my tin signs and all my linens. I'm going to put the linens in big bulk bags. And I put all kinds of stuffed animals in there for the holidays. I thought that would be good for the kids if people are buying presents. So let's take a quick overall look. So this is Lou from Lou's Antiques saying goodbye, and we'll see you again. Thanks for coming with us. Bye.